everyone, my name's Jeyanney. I'm a makeup artist and I'm here today at TATTI Lashes to talk to you about the new and improved Invisi-Lash kits. In case you didn't know, the Invisi-Lash kit helps you create a custom lash look in the comfort of your own home that lasts up to a week. Each Invisi-Lash kit contains a new and improved adhesive, a brand new pink curved applicator, and a box of clusters of your choice. The adhesive has totally been upgraded. It's longer lasting, faster drying, and larger in size, which gives you more value for money. We've also updated the bond and the sealed ones for much easier application. There are 10 cluster styles for you to choose from across our 2 Invisi-Lash kits. Starting from most natural to glam, we have Au Naturel. Then we have Très Chic, moving on to Mon Cherie, which also comes in a mocha, which is a mixture of brown and black hairs. You also have Haute Couture, and lastly, A La Mode. Moving on to the Wispy Edition kits, you can choose from the cluster styles: Everyday Wisp, Pointed Wisp, Wispy Volume, and Full Volume. I'm going to show you how to apply, but before we move on to the application, it's really important that your lashes are clean, dry, and oil-free. I'm using the style Mon Cherie and I'm going to show you how to create a winged lash look. I'm going to start on the outer corner with a longer lash and move inward. Before you get started, we recommend curling your lashes with a lash curler. Start by applying the bond to the root of the lash only, and then apply the cluster immediately into that section. We often get asked the best way to remove the lash clusters from the tray. The best way to do this is to loosen and peel the lash cluster from the tray using your fingers. We recommend grasping the lash cluster as close to the base as possible. As the bond is faster drying, it's really important that you apply it section by section. Our new and improved wand is curved, making application super easy as it follows the shape of your eye. TATTI tip: for super easy application, we recommend keeping your tweezers clean. You can wipe off any excess glue using either the TATTI remover or a makeup wipe. Now that we've completed application on both eyes, it's really important to finish off with curing the lash using seal. The best way to apply your seal is to place it exactly where you've placed your bond. Start at the root and apply in a dabbing motion. If you still feel like there's a little bit of stickiness, take your seal and apply it on the top of your natural lashes. Take your curved lash applicator and clamp down the root of your lashes. This will ensure you get the maximum wear out of your set. If you still find that your lashes are sticky, you can take some seal and apply it directly to the tweezers. Now I've shown you how to apply your lashes, here's how to remove them. We've updated the formula of our 2-in-1 Invisi-Lash Remover and Cleansing Solution. It's infused with rose oil to hydrate and nourish lashes, whilst gently breaking down the adhesive so you can remove the lashes and clusters easily. We've also updated the wand to make it easier to brush the solution through your lashes. Gently brush the remover wand coated with product along your lashes and clusters. Wait 30 seconds for the remover to dissolve the bond for a seamless, smooth removal. Use a cotton pad to gently slide the clusters away from your lashes using a downward motion. Brush through your lashes again using the remover wand and remove any final residue with a cotton pad. And there we have it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, you can shop all the Invisi-Lash kits on tattilashes.com.